This here has to be one of my favorite Southern desserts. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a sweet potato casserole. Man, this thing is delicious. I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine. Let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown. Let me tell you what we have right here. Of course, we got our candy yams or our sweet potatoes here. They're not yams yet, but sweet potatoes here, flour. We have some butter here, 2 eggs. Here in these 2 dishes, we have brown sugar. These 2 dishes, salt, vanilla extract. We got some heavy whipping cream, some cinnamon, more butter here, and some chopped pecans right here. So that's all we need, guys. Y'all ready? Let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is start preparing our sweet potatoes. I was talking and didn't realize that the camera wasn't rolling, but I just got about a minute in, and I realized I wasn't recording. So you could do this a couple of ways. You could put it in the oven with the skin on, let it cook for about an hour until it softens up and is ready. Take it out, let it cool, depeel it, or you could put it in the microwave, or you could do it like we're gonna do it, and we're putting it in this pot, and we're gonna bring it to boil and let it cook for 20 minutes. Either way works. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting our sweet potatoes in here. So we're gonna let these come to boil, and then once they start boiling, we're gonna let them boil for 20 minutes, all right? All right, guys, so we're about 20 minutes in. We're gonna remove our top. I'm just gonna do a poke test just to see if where we want them. So yeah, it looks like we're good. So I'm gonna remove them from our pot. We're gonna add them to a bowl and continue the recipe. All right, so now that we've drained our sweet potatoes, we're gonna start adding some more ingredients. We're gonna add our butter, our brown sugar, our vanilla extract, salt, our eggs, our heavy whipping cream. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take, if you have a masher, you can mash it, but I'm gonna take a mixer and we're just gonna mix it up. All right, guys, so it looks like we're there. You just wanna beat it until it's smooth. We're gonna move this aside real quick, bring in our baking dish, and we're gonna spray that with some cooking spray. Now, we're just gonna take our sweet potato mixture, put it in here. It's our casserole dish. And we're just gonna get that smoothed out. So now I have my stove already preheated to 375 degrees. We're gonna stick this in here, let it bake for about 25 minutes. And while that's baking, we're gonna prepare our topping for our casserole, all right? And this is the best part, I love it. This what makes the sweet potato casserole really, really good. All right, let's get this in the oven. So as I mentioned, we're gonna start preparing our topping. So we're gonna add our flour, our salt, cinnamon, our brown sugar. And we're just gonna start getting this mixed up real quick, kind of breaking up some of those lumps of the brown sugar. And now we're just gonna come behind that with our butter and our pecans. We're just gonna start getting this mixed in. Man, take a look at that. So we're gonna set that aside. Once our sweet potato casserole is finished baking, we're gonna add this to the top, all right? We got about another 15 minutes. All right, so now we're out of the oven after 25 minutes. We're gonna take our pecan mixture and we're just going to place it here on the top across our casserole. Guys, this looks so good. We're gonna put this back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. We want this to kind of harden and crisp at the top, give it like a toasty look. So let's get it in there for 10 minutes. If we need a little bit more, we'll add a little bit more time, all right? All right, now we're out of the oven after 10 additional minutes. This is what we have, our sweet potato casserole. Man, this looks delicious. Man, I'm just gonna stick my spoon in here. Oh man, guys, look at that. That's what you want right there. Guys, let's go ahead and jump into quality control because I'm ready to try this baby out. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, we're back for quality control. So I put a little bit of this sweet potato casserole on the salsa here. A viewer told me, man, why don't you pan the camera down so we can see your plate? And I want to say, why are you all in my plate, man? Why you want to be all in my plate? So I pan the camera down just for her. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just playing. I appreciate you giving me that recommendation. I know y'all want to see me eat this stuff, man. Right, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Man, if y'all don't know, sweet potato casserole is a staple in the South. Man, we make this all the time in Alabama. Oh, man. With them pecans, oh, goodness. And to them, I'm your cook, Spinetta. Oh, man. This is all wings everything. I'm just so focused on this. I'm trying to get back to this and talk to y'all. But remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.